Looking for a smart solution to control lights or thermostats with voice commands? Or do you want a smart lock that automatically unlocks when you step in front of the door? No matter what it is, if you're a proud owner of one or multiple Apple Smart devices, it's time to start the automation with these must-have HomeKit accessories. Starting with the video doorbell, and we have the smart device that's truly a must-have for every smart homeowner living in Apple's ecosystem, because it's one of the best video doorbells out there and it's compatible with every cross-platform for a better automation experience. It's packed with a high-resolution camera that provides a super wide field of view, making it a better option out there. In addition, its low light sensitivity delivers a clear view in the complete darkness with enhanced nighttime visibility. Next up, enjoy the convenience of a smart lock that is bought by Schlage. Offering multiple ways to unlock the door without using any physical keys, in such a way, you can also share remote and quick access to anyone if needed. Plus, if there's a power or internet outage, you can still access the front door using its dedicated key. Moreover, smart home integration ensures you can enjoy home automation the way you've been dreaming for decades. Not to mention, the added security that Schlage provides is amazing. You probably hear that small in design but mighty in performance, and this quote is absolutely suitable for this smart bulb. Though it's compact, it can still deliver up to 1000 lumens of brightness, which is pretty much unseen on HomeKit light bulbs. However, from dusk to dawn, you'll get full access through the mobile app and can do everything right from it without needing any bridges or hub systems. You can even choose the rocking hue from the pre-built plethora of color combinations that perfectly meet your mood and occasion as well. Looking for the ultimate in-wall command center? The brilliant Smart Home Control is a solid option for Apple HomeKit users. Equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen panel, this smart device combines all the essential devices such as lights, cameras, locks, thermostats, and more by simply replacing a traditional wall switch. It also has a built-in camera with a privacy shutter and a built-in motion sensor, so as soon as it detects any motion, the camera will turn on and start capturing videos. Adjusting your home temperature manually can be quite a hassle, and that's why you need this premium thermostat that will automatically set your home temperature to keep you comfortable. To get the perfect temperature, you must turn it on and pair it with your air conditioning units. This device works just like magic. It also includes a smart sensor that detects your presence. Based on that, it adjusts the temperature for comfort when you're home. Get familiar with the Aqara Hub G3. A security camera, home hub system, and much more. It records and delivers stunning content that's relatively unseen on a budget security camera. The best thing is that it supports Zigbee 3.0, along with Apple HomeKit and other cross-platforms. That means you don't have to worry about automation and get rid of the hassle of installing multiple add-ons. Take your automation HomeKit experience to a whole new level and meet with the HomePod Mini for its top-notch performance and all-in-one solution. Since you're up to build a smart home based on Apple ecosystem, this HomePod allows you to control every connected device from a single platform. Just command Siri to control one or multiple devices and she will do the rest for you. Not only that, you can also enjoy some music to cheer up your mood and occasion. So these were the 7 must-have HomeKit accessories just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.